Are you looking for the best drawing tablets under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen Artist 22R Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 22R Pro comes with a strikingly large 21.5-inch display and features 1080p resolution, allowing you draw, design, model and create directly onto the 22R Pro's surface, letting you unleash new creative possibilities. The Artist 22R Pro is the first graphics display that supports a USB-C to USB-C connection, letting you directly connect your iMac, MacBook Pro and other Windows computers that support USB-C input to the 22R Pro without using a USB-C to HDMI and USB adapter. By applying the latest innovation and technology, the 22R Pro lets you draw with a more precise cursor positioning even at the four corners for an improved drawing experience. The XPPen Artist 22R Pro features 2 easy-to-control red dial wheels and 20 customizable shortcut keys that are conveniently placed on both sides, making it equally accessible for left and right-handed users. The 21.5-inch FHD display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC, Adobe registered RGB 90%, sRGB 120%, adding brilliance to your creation with more exquisite details and vibrant colors. The PA2 battery-free stylus supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function and provides superior line performance to create the finest sketches and lines. The Artist 22R Pro comes equipped with the USB hub that can be used to connect your mouse or other devices. And the touch-sensitive keys are specially designed to avoid sticking the way mechanical keys often do. Number 2. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is an excellent drawing tablet for hobbyists and early career professionals alike. It features an expansive, responsive screen, with a 2.5K resolution and precise brightness control to best match your environment, alongside the sleek accessories and streamlined functionality to let you jump into the creative act with little difficulty, subtly improving both the looks and the function of the first-gen Artist Pro 16. The revamped stylus is the main event here, boasting an unmatched 16,000 pressure levels for markings that are precisely controlled by your touch. It doesn't feel much different from the 8,092 levels seen in other leading tablets and may be similar to the 8K or 16K resolution in a high-end TV, which sounds advanced but is barely noticeable. Either way, it's good to know the finer motions of your hand are being catered to, and the Artist Pro 16 is currently leading the market on this feature. The tablet is well designed, with an integrated stand that props up the display at a, sadly fixed, 19-degree angle, and a slim wrist support at the base. Inputs are pleasingly minimal in the display itself, with a wireless key deal accessory with customizable shortcuts to help you navigate your creations with ease. While this 16-inch display will set you back a little more than the Artist Pro 14, the larger screen real estate may be enough to sway you, packing in 2560 by 1600 pixels compared to the smaller model's 1920 by 1200. Just keep in mind that specifications are otherwise almost identical between them. Number 3. GAOMON PD1610 2.5K QHD Drawing Tablet. With 2560 by 1600 QHD plus 2.5K resolution and full lamination technology, GAOMON PD1610 will show every detail of your creation in striking clarity. When the calculation of PPI, pixels per inch, is above 180, the effect of no obvious grid can be achieved. The 2.5K resolution PPI can just reach more than 180 on this PD1610. Compared with the 16:9 display screen, it is more natural and more comfortable, which can reduce the user's eye fatigue. The display ratio increases the vertical viewing space, and the extra 11% of the display content can enable the designer to obtain a larger vision, design a better scheme from the overall point of view, and greatly improve the work efficiency. The battery-free stylus AP51 brings a breakthrough in pen tips. It has a shorter retraction distance than the other GAOMON pens up to now, more precise cursor positioning, smoother digital lines, less tag, and more stability. GAOMON carried out a subversive design of the appearance of PD1610. There are 8 shortcut keys, which can be turned off when not needed to avoid accidental touches. PD1610 can be compatible with popular digital art software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CAI, CDR, GIMP, Krita, Medibang, Fire Alpaca, and Blender 3D. Users can also illustrate their ideas freely on PD1610 when they're doing online meeting or distant education, which will help streamline the workflow and improve working efficiency. Number 4. Kamvas 20 Huion Graphics Tablet. Digital pen is free from charging, a natural writing and drawing tool for you to create without limits. Just as you would write on a notebook, provides a natural experience of handwriting on a paper. The thickness and the color of strokes differentiate yet remain smooth and consistent as pressure applied varied. High report rate ensures consistency and smoothness of handwriting input strokes and minimizes the lagging in response. The higher the value, the more detailed the lines and colors will be. It can easily realize the pixel level painting display effect. The stroke is delicate and real, and the handwriting is accurate and natural. The color gamut is upgraded from 100% sRGB to 120% sRGB, which enables Kamvas 20 to present wider gamut, ensuring the image vividness. Extra wide viewing angle of 178 degrees ensures clear and beautiful image to be displayed without color disparity. Application of the classic slider design is simple and convenient to operate, sturdy and reliable, with angle adjusting range within 20 degrees to 80 degrees. The display can be adjusted to a comfortable angle for creation by folding forward and backward. Number 5. GAOMON PD2200 Tablet. Delivering vibrant colors and rich detail. Expand your creativity and work naturally and intuitively. GAOMON PD2200 Drawing Monitor meets the needs of all types of digital artists at any skill level, adopting fully laminated technology and AG protective film. The GAOMON PD2200 seamlessly combines the glass and screen to create a distraction-free working environment. With virtually no parallax, your cursor appears exactly where you want it, offering a real paper-like feel while drawing on this 21.5-inch fully laminated HD display. GAOMON PD2200 supports Windows 10/8/7, macOS 10.12 and higher. Also compatible with many major designer software such as Photoshop, CAI, Painter, Illustrator, Clip Studio, CDR, and more. GAOMON Technology Corporation is a high-tech enterprise that is known for independently researching and developing core technology such as animation products and handwritten input digitizer products. GAOMON's main product line includes the USB pen tablet, wireless pen tablet, signature pad, pen tablet monitor and LED tracing board. Thanks to a successful line of graphic tablet products, GAOMON has been a renowned developer in the Chinese local market since 2011. More and more GAOMON products will enter international market in the future.